Hello cruising world, Mick The Suit Guy with you on an incredibly painful day. Every word is really hurting me today, but if I don't get this video out, I'm going to lose my streak, and I don't want to do that. So for you, I'm going to suck up the pain, which is incredibly intense right now, and I'm going to give you 3 short tips. If only you knew. Okay, first one, Virgin. You get a 10% discount if you pay in full more than 365 days before the cruise. I'd love to explain that more, but you have no idea. So you'll have to read into that what you can. So just remember, a 10% discount if you pay in full more than 365 days before the cruise. Don't get this disease. Check your passport and your driver's license expiry date to make sure it's good. Do you know when your driver's license is going to expire? I'll bet most of you don't. Don't let it expire. And make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months before you cruise. We're going to take a break. Just humor yourself. And we're going to get to the last one in a second. So yeah, check your passport and your driver's license expiry date. We're going to get there, everybody. I'm not losing this streak. Oh, you ever had pain so bad it brings tears to your eyes? And the last one. This is really hard to live with, I'm not going to lie. If you're going to Celebration Key, check the port schedule. You can Google it and you can see if there's any other ships in with you. I got a lot to say on this and I'm going to try and get there. If you are on a ship getting in at like 8 in the morning and there's another one coming in at 2 in the afternoon, don't go back to your ship at about 2, because they block the port off to put the gangways down, and you'll be stuck in line like we were recently for about half an hour, just standing there until they deem it safe. And you don't want to do that. And don't get off at that time either. So that's why you should check that port schedule. So that's I did it. Oh, don't laugh. There is no way to describe this pain. Every word feels like a dagger. So if I put enough effort in for you to subscribe or even become a member, because I'm not breaking this streak, and if I don't do it today, I'm going to lose that streak. Yeah, the info's coming up. So I will see you later, cruising world. Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also you'll see to the left and right of me there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also, you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.